Fine, let us start solving the problem number 20. Right here, let us check out this. So find the value of this. Right. This is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus, they have given continuous like this till 20 plus 19 minus 20. What you can do is you can write down and work, or otherwise directly you can also work. Let us check out this. 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8 plus 9 minus 10 plus 11 minus 12 plus 13 minus 14 plus 15 minus 16 plus 17 minus 18 plus 19 minus 20. Now, just by observing here, one method is you can add the positive integers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, and then negative numbers, that is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, you can add and then you can subtract, find the difference, so we are going to get the answer. Otherwise, by observing here, this is going to be minus 1 again, here minus 1 plus minus 1. Right, minus 1 here, again take this is minus 1, right, minus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is nothing but minus 10 is the answer. This is the one way you can do, or otherwise you can start adding positive numbers. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 9 plus 7, 16, 60 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 11, 36, 36 plus 13, 36 plus 13 is 49, 49 plus 15, 54, 64, 64, 74, 74 plus 7, 81, 81, 90 plus 10, 100. This is plus 100. Now minus, let us check out here. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 12, minus 20, minus 30, 42, 42, 46, 56, 56, 62, 72, 72, 80, 90, 90 plus 20 is minus 110. Right, now 100 minus 110 is nothing but minus 10. This is the answer. This way also you can do, or otherwise you can do this way also.